Right now, you're moving at over 1,000 miles an hour, and you can't feel any of it. The ground under your feet, the chair you're in, your whole body, all of it is racing east at the speed of a rifle bullet. You don't feel it because everything moves together. So here's the question almost nobody asks. What happens the second it all stops? Start a clock. At the equator, Earth's surface turns at about 1,037 miles an hour. That's faster than sound travels. Most people picture the Earth stops spinning as the world going still and quiet. It's the reverse. The planet stops. In the first second, the ground halts. You keep going. So does every car, every ship, every loose rock, and every drop of the ocean. All of it, flung eastward at over 1,000 miles an hour. Anything not anchored to bedrock tears loose and scrapes across the surface. The energy dumped into the planet in those few seconds reshapes the land itself. Then the air arrives. The atmosphere kept its speed, even though the ground under it stopped. That mismatch turns into wind, and not wind like you felt. These are supersonic gales, stronger than any hurricane on record, stripping the surface bare and heating the air with friction as they tear across it. Now, watch the oceans. Earth's spin drags water outward and piles it into a bulge around the equator. Take the spin away, and nothing holds that bulge in place. The water drains toward the poles. Over time, the map redraws itself. Two enormous oceans capping the north and south, and a single unbroken ring of dry land wrapped around the middle of the planet. Coastlines disappear. New ones rise thousands of miles inland, on ground that has been seabed for millions of years. Here's the part that catches everyone. Earth stopped spinning, but it never stopped orbiting the sun. A day is one spin. With the spin gone, a single day now stretches to one full trip around the sun. 1 year. 6 months of unbroken daylight on the side facing the sun, cooking the surface. 6 months of frozen darkness on the other. Sunrise and sunset happen twice a year. The damage runs deeper than the surface. Earth's magnetic field comes from its molten outer core, turning like a dynamo. That field is your shield against solar radiation. Slow the planet down, and over time, the dynamo weakens and the shield fades, leaving the surface open to the full force of the sun. One honest note. Everything you've heard so far assumes Earth stops in an instant, and that's the nightmare version. Slow it down gradually instead, over thousands of years, and life gets time to adapt. The ending changes completely. The line between survival and destruction isn't whether the Earth stops, it's how fast. So, the spin you never think about holds the whole system together. The winds, the tides, the seasons, and the shield over your head. Which leaves one last question worth sitting with. What's keeping it spinning in the first place?